Hey guys, Zach here with Mountain Dog Companion, hanging out with Millie. She is from Noel and Gunner's litter. Very, very subtle. Yeah, very loving. And she's about 7 weeks old right now, so yeah, she's kind of a cuddle bug right here. Yeah. Get a little weight for you guys. Yeah, you're 5.7. You're a little bit on the smaller side, yeah? You like kisses? I'll show you guys here, kind of got that nice merle to her. Beautiful markings. Little belly rubs. Little belly rubs. Yeah, you're so fun. Yeah, you're so fun. This is Millie. Where are you going? Getting my shoes?